rather than a traditional way of leaving a key in a key box, you would actually have a door which has got codes. You give them access with a code in, and that is the best way to allow someone into your property. Welcome back to another Grow Airbnb video on my channel, guys. If you're new to our channel, my name is Piers. We work with short-term rental clients all over the world, and in today's video I want to talk about vacation rental owners not having this must-have tools that you need in the business. Look, if you don't have them, you're just going to create another job, and if you're looking to invest in Airbnb business and vacation rental property, please make sure you watch this full video and make sure you are implementing this. Guys, this is what you need to run a successful Airbnb and a vacation rental property business. So I don't know if you know, my most watched video is all about actually having software. So the first thing I want to talk about in this video is about Channel Manager. Now, for somebody who's new and you don't understand Channel Manager, or even if you're experienced and you're not 90% of people actually don't maximize what channel managers do, right? But in a simple note, Channel Manager connects all your OTAs, even your direct booking, into one platform. It connects all your calendar, it connects all your pricing, you can automate 90% of communication, and also, more importantly, it just makes it feel like a business rather than you opening 10 different tabs and trying to create a business, trying to do one thing in one platform, change pricing, booking.com, change title. It's just a lot of work. You can do that in one hub, and what you need Channel Manager for. Now, please make sure you go and watch that video, because I've listed top 10 channel managers that you need, or you can have a chat with, and that will definitely help you in progression of your starting off short-term rental business. Second one is actually probably a hit and miss for me, which is a pricing tool. Now, there's things like Price Lab, Beyond Pricing, but I've worked with, I call it a short-term rental operator in the UK, in a place where they're not tourist attraction. For them to have a pricing tool is actually not the right thing to do, and actually I've proven that again and again. I've tried it in their account. They've said, Piers, I've got Price Labs, I use them, but actually they've got an empty calendar. Price Labs is not going to get them booking, because their guest behavior are people who wants to book long term. There's not enough demand to go up and down, and that's why pricing tools and pricing managers are very selective for me personally in vacation rental properties. If your property is in somewhere like Bondi Beach and you've got an amazing views, you've got that seasonal month which goes up and down, look, that's where you want to use it. You do not want to use it in a location which is going to be based on contractor, business travelers, relocation, family relocation, anything to do with longer term booking. Your pricing tool is, personally, with my experience working with that many accounts, I don't think it works. If you have found it working for you, and if it's worked for you for long-term bookings, please comment down below and share your story too. The third thing I want to talk about is smart locking. Now, if you guys don't know what smart locking is, obviously I'll share you guys a screenshot of some of the example, but rather than a traditional way of leaving a key in a key box, you would actually have a door which has got codes. You give them access with a code in, and that is the best way to allow someone into your property. But also, if you think about systemizing protection for your property, especially you're in a place right now where you're going to get a lot of 2-night stays, 3-night stay in a month, you're serving anywhere up to 10 customers, you've got a lot of risk involved in the property unless your key box key box codes are changed every single visit by your cleaners or your housekeeping team, or unless you physically do a meet and greet service. So the fourth thing I want to talk about is smart cameras or door cameras. Now, a lot of time I feel like back in probably about 3 years ago when we started, putting a camera in front of the door, guests would not find it as as protected. They feel like, why am I being recorded? And we used to get a lot of challenges before, whereas now people understand door camera a lot of people are using it for their personal use. As a result of that, it also allows you to have it into your vacation rental property. Now, I've seen so many stories. One of my older clients who came, worked with us with one unit, went into the longer term stay model. They had a luxury property they set up in Birmingham. And I saw them actually, they posted it that, the door camera was, pretty much finding that every time they had a luxury model party stays, there were more people. Actually, there was 5 people booking in, but then ended up having like 20 people. Now, the only way they could have stopped that is by having that door camera. As a result of that, they kicked out the guests quickly. They actioned it quickly without having any problem in the property, because the worst thing you want is that property to have a party, loud music, noises, neighbors are going to get pissed off, and you do not want that. So as a vacation renter owner, you must think about smart cameras, must think how you're going to utilize it, but more importantly, protection for your properties. We come to the last one, which is the automation of your business. Now, there's so many things you can use. I don't know if you've heard of a company called Superhogue. Have a look online. We'll share you on a screen share as well. But I've done a video about it where guest screening, a lot of time, 90% of operating, and if you're one of them as a vacation rental owner, you're probably thinking about your first guest and going, oh my God, we didn't even take their ID, we didn't have terms and condition, we didn't understand the guest. You're probably just excited about the booking. Now, yes, it's all great till a problem happens and you've got nothing to prove or support that problem. Now, for automation, things like Superhogue is an amazing tool. Make sure that you are not only researching it, but you're implementing in that business, because as a result of that, again, operationally, you're going to be a lot stronger. Guys, I hope you enjoyed another Grow Your B&B video. Right now, we've got over 80% of people who watches my video. And if you're one of them and are not subscribed, please, if you could just pause this video, go and hit that subscribe button. Obviously, it will help me understand that, you're enjoying the video. Comment down below what else you want to see. We've got access to over 20 accounts right now in Airbnb channel managers. There's a lot of things I can share you with my experience, and my channel is all about that. So if you can share more information, what questions you've got in the comment, that'd be amazing. But thank you so much for watching another Grow Your B&B video, and I'll be back with another video soon.